Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to jump on here really quickly today to explain a couple things to you all, to explain one thing in particular, which is why I have decided to change my name across my social media accounts from Hipster Veggie to Kaur Health. So it was on my mind for a while to change my name from Hipster Veggie to something else because I just fell out of love with the name. And whilst I was in California recently, I was just having a think of where do I want to take this platform and what do I want to do with it. And the beauty of the internet is that you can change anything in a heartbeat and it's gonna be absolutely fine. I found myself constantly making up excuses as to why I couldn't change my name because it wasn't the right time or I didn't know the best way to do it. But the truth is there's no best or correct way to do anything like this. You just got to do it. I am the type of person that will just jump into the deep end and figure it out along the way, and that's exactly what I'm doing with this. There is no correct or best way to change the name of your YouTube channel. It's just not that deep. The new name holds a lot of meaning and value to me, and I really think that it represents me and the brand and also my audience a lot better. As an Amritari Sikh woman, I am a god, it's who I am, and it also shapes the way that I see the world, and it also shapes the way that I see health. I want the emphasis of this platform to be on health and not on one particular type of diet, so not vegetarian or vegan or any other type of diet, because health is a really personal thing and what works for one person may not work for another. It's not a one glove fits all kind of thing, so I didn't want to just push one type of diet because I don't think that's right for everyone. We need to take so many different things into consideration when it comes to our health and when it comes to adjusting our diet. So things like our stress levels, our environment, and also our ancestry are really, really important. For me personally, working as a nutritionist closely with the Punjabi community has allowed me to discover certain trends that really do work, and I'll definitely be sharing more of that in the future, along with more chemical-free DIY products for things like deodorants and sprays and face creams and stuff like that, because the commercial stuff that we be buying is trash. And also recipes. So I'm going to be doing the same kind of thing, but just with more emphasis on health as a whole. I'm not going to be deleting any of my old content because it is what it is. It doesn't really bother me to still have it on the internet, but I will be taking a new direction with my content and I'm really, really excited, and I hope you guys are too. I'm also doing a lot more offline stuff, which is so refreshing because it means I get to have actual real life conversations with you guys about so many incredible topics. I've been running female health and herbal workshops in Gurdwara across the UK, and I'm going to be doing some more over the summer, so follow me on Instagram to stay up to date with that. I'm also holding an all-female retreat called Boss Your Body with the lovely Maya Saffron, who is an amazing all-female personal trainer, and we also run monthly sessions called Boss Your Body right here in London. As with all of the health events that we run, this is 100% female only, and it's a really safe space for all women to come together, and it doesn't matter what fitness level you're at. It doesn't matter if you're vegan, vegetarian, or a meat eater. There's literally no restrictions on this kind of thing. Come, have fun, get a workout in, and meet some like-minded, encouraging women. Thank you all so much for watching that, and thank you for all the support that you've given me on the rebrand and changing my name and all of that good stuff. I really do appreciate it. Be sure to follow me on Instagram so you can stay up to date with all the workshops and events that we're going to be running across the UK this summer, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.